Hi guys, a little bit of 3D printing. Not perfect, to be honest. You might be able to see the tip of that looks a little bit suspect. Hasn't printed perfectly. But then I've had so many problems with my printer recently, I'm just happy it's printed at all. A little bit of a curve on that edge as well. Yeah, anyway, saw a video short on YouTube, a clever little puzzle. A little bit more detailed than this. The box had a base to it. I haven't put a base on it, and it had windows on the sides with bars on it so you could actually look inside. I just thought I'd do a simpler version. The point is, you have this pyramid and you've got to try and get it into the box, or in my case, through the box and out the other side. And you might think you could sort of align it in some way or other to get it to go through. And it does go through. It's just a matter of getting the right orientation. If you look at your pyramid and turn it in the right direction, you'll see it looks more like a square. If you're looking straight through it, and that's the trick. I was rather pleased with the idea, so as I say, I thought I'd try it myself. It was a bit of a challenge to work out how to print it and get the size right. This one only works one way. You'll see it doesn't go that way. I have to turn it that way, and it does go through. Because this isn't quite a square, it's slightly oblong or rectangular. That won't go that way. Oh, dropped it. It will go that way, which I think actually adds an extra level of difficulty to it, because you might think you got it right, but you haven't actually got the right way round. If you just take that out, turn it that way, and try and push it through. Oh, it is going to go through if I push it hard. Let's try that again. Yeah, right, it's not going to go through that way. I hadn't turned it far enough. So I expect I can force it. Can I? Not really. If it was a better print, you certainly wouldn't be able to get it through. Now take it back, rotate it 90 degrees, and we're through. Yeah, I just thought that was interesting. I'll put a link to the original video. It's only a short, and it is rather nice bit of woodwork. I just wanted to see if I could 3D print it. And I say, if my printer was a little bit better, it wouldn't look quite so ropey. Hopefully I'll get it fixed soon. I've got bits on order. Won't fit, won't fit, won't fit, won't fit. Turn it, and slide straight through. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.